So you have bought your ZV-E10 camera and now you're probably wondering, how do I add a lens, how do I add a battery, SD card, and so on. Don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you all of that, so just follow me step by step and we'll do one thing after another. So the first thing I want to do is to add a lens, so let's just gently turn this away, but don't lift it yet because we need to keep the sensor protected. So here is my lens, so I'm going to turn this cap and then remove first the cap from the lens and then from the camera, and you'll see here a white dot, and there is a white dot on your lens too, so just align those two dots, and once you do that you will see that the lens is going to kind of go down, and then just turn the lens in this direction until you hear a click. There you go. So now I have heard the click, the lens is properly added. If you want to remove the lens, you will press here and then turn the lens in another direction. Now, obviously I want to keep it on, so I'm going to leave it. All right, now the next thing to do is to add the battery. This is how the battery looks like. And obviously before we add the battery, we need to open the door here. So just pull this to the right and it's going to open by itself. And then make sure that this part here is, this side should go towards the door and this part goes down, right? So just make sure that this part of the battery is turned towards the door, and then add the battery and just press gently and you will hear a click here. So you will see this small part which holds the battery. So if you want to take the battery out, you will just move this part towards the left and the battery comes out, right? But we want to keep it, obviously, so I'm just going to press it back in, and then again you can hear that click, and that's pretty much it. That's how you add the battery. Now the next step we need to do is to add the SD card. This is how the SD card looks like. So you have a label on one side and this is how it looks on another side. Now let's see how we can add it. We take the SD card and we add it here. Just make sure that the label is turned towards the door, and then just press the SD card, and again you will hear the click. Once you hear the click, you will see that your SD card sits here nicely. Then after that we just close the door, and then when you close the door, hold the door like this and move this to left. And that's pretty much it. Now the next step is obviously to charge the battery, and to do that you're going to rotate your camera like this. And here on this side, you're going to see this door. So just open that door. Here is a Type-C USB charging port. And you got your Type-C cable with you. So you will plug the Type-C cable here. And then you can simply charge it. Once you start the charging, you will see a yellow light right here. So you will charge it until that yellow light is gone. This video is sponsored by ERGOTECH store, which offers a selection of tech products from smartwatches and smartphones to computer accessories like cables, mouses, keyboards, and more. I'll leave a link below in the description so you can check it out. Okay, so I have finished charging my camera, unplug the cable, close the door, and the next thing I want to do is just quickly let's remove this cap here from the lens. And now let's turn it on. To turn it on, just move this to on, like this. And now if you look at the screen, you're going to see something like this. So to navigate this navigation, you use this wheel. So you can just press here. Just make sure that you don't press in the middle because that's going to confirm the language. So if you want to choose the French, just tap here, German, and to go back up, tap here, right? On upper part, back to English. So obviously I'm going to use English here. To confirm it, I'm going to press this button in the middle here. And then again, press button in the middle to confirm the area, date and time. Alright, so by default here is set to Paris. I'm going to press right here on the right side to move a little bit to this side because I'm in Vienna, Austria, and I see now that I'm in Cairo and Istanbul, so that's not my time zone. Actually, I'm going to go then back to Paris because there is nothing in between here. And again, to confirm, press the middle button here. So now I'm going to go to date and time, press the middle button and choose the date. So today is 13th March 2023. It's 4. So I'm going to go 16 and 6 minutes. There you go. Again, to confirm it, press the middle button. And date format, you can change the date format, but it's fine. For me, I'm going to leave it as it is. By the way, all of this can be changed later. So again, press this button to go down to enter, and then middle button to confirm. And this is just a presentation for the app you can download on your phone or laptop to transfer the files. So I'm just going to press the middle button here to confirm, just to remove that presentation. Now, here you're going to have to wait a little bit. And this is pretty much it. So the camera is ready to be used now. Just want to say thank you for watching. I hope that this video was useful to you. Please consider subscribing. Again, thanks for watching. Have a nice day and see you in the next one. Bye bye.